Pepe coin holders, I've got a video for you guys. I'm here live from the Venetian at the Bitcoin conference, and I want to talk about Pepe with you guys. I opened up a 75x long position as usual on Pepe, guys. You know, if you've been watching this channel, I've been saying every Pepe coin video, I'm going to open up a 75x position, long or short, and see how it plays out throughout the video. So, without further ado, thanks for stopping by. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel right now. Let's hop into this video. All right, guys, so we're going to start off here on Blowfin. We are in a 75x leveraged long position on Pepe. We're up about 19%, $16.50 here. It's only an $80 position, so it's quite significant that we're up 22% on 84, that we're up $17. It's not a significant amount of money. It's not like my $200,000 XRP position, but it is a significant amount of leverage, and we're up significantly. Can I say significantly enough on this trade? Because I just opened it up, and we're up 20 bucks on 84. That's a great gain, 25%. So sitting here at the Venetian, walking around the Bitcoin conference in Las Vegas, I have seen a lot of Pepe art, and I'm realizing that even though the market on meme coins is pretty lackluster, Pepe has really superseded Dogecoin and superseded Shiba Inu. I'm not seeing a lot of that, and I'm seeing a lot of Pepe the Frog. And I think that Pepe the Frog is the chosen one. Over on Crypto Twitter, follow me at 333blacksea. I say the chosen one, Pepe. And I do believe that. I do believe that Pepe will flip Doge and will flip Shiba Inu. We're already seeing it happen in mindshare. I think the younger crypto generation is going to be much more enamored by the frog than the dog, in my opinion. And so you look at Pepe right now, and guys, we're chopping around, but guess what? Today, in the after hours of the stock market, we saw the stock market soar. We saw the S&P 500 make a 2% gain in after hours. We're seeing lots of the traditional market moon because Congress came out and said that Trump cannot enforce these tariffs. Now, whether or not that is a fact or not is besides the point. The market reacted with, okay, so that means tariffs are gone, so that means that the market's going to go sky high. And I believe that we're going to see that mooning roll over into crypto here very soon, even though if it's a temporary thing. That's why I'm opening up a 75x long, and I think that we're probably going to be profiting. I think by the end of this video, we're going to be significantly in the profit, maybe 50%, 80%. We're going to see. I might eat my words, but looking at Pepe right now, we are range bound here. Really, after making quite a large move, breaking above the bullish trend line here on the yellow line, sitting at around 5.9164. This was the bullish break, and we made our way all the way up and rejected down. I've been saying, guys, this is happening exactly as I predicted. I said I expect sideways chop within this channel between 4.012 and 4.014. That's exactly what's happening right now, and I am looking for that breakout. That breakout above 4.014. And I think that it will require a little bit more follow through on Bitcoin's point. Bitcoin kind of was selling off today. You know, it's classic that during the Bitcoin conference, Bitcoin is a little bit shaky and choppy and draws down. It always happens like that, guys. It's just how it goes. When there's a Bitcoin conference, there's selling off on Bitcoin, maybe because everyone's so bullish talking and all these bullish news points go everywhere, and so everyone thinks sell the news, even though it's just news. It's really a nothing burger. People are just speculating on Bitcoin, and people can, like Michael Saylor, can come out and say $49 million Bitcoin price by 2050, and sure, I could say that too, you know. But I really want to just make you understand that just because the Bitcoin conference is going on does not mean that like the top is in. Like, this is a reoccurring theme. I am optimistically bullish for follow through on Pepe to break above this level, especially if Bitcoin continues to make this move up. Let's check out the trade. We're up $25 now. And if you guys do want to trade Pepe as well and you want to do some leverage trading, please, guys, leverage trade with money you're not afraid to lose, especially if you're doing like 75x leverage or anything over really 10x leverage. I'm using 10x leverage on my XRP long, and I'm carefully monitoring it, and I am making sure that that does not reach my stop loss. And even if it does reach my stop loss, that's okay. I'm not going to get liquidated on a $200,000 trade. But when it comes to a Pepe 75x long, I'm having fun and I'm striking the iron while it's hot, and that's all I'm doing. So if you guys are going to be doing crazy leverage like this, because it is crazy, please use money you're not afraid to lose. All right, guys. If you do want to trade, check out in the description box below or pin comment down below. We have a $5,000 sign bonus to Blowfin. All I have to do is click that link, deposit, trade a bit. You get a bunch of free money, as well as if you trade X amount, you get a Tesla Model 3. And it's not like a chance to win it. It's if you trade X, you get Y. You get Tesla Model 3, which is worth about $30,000. So take advantage of that, especially if you're trading, guys. So let's look at Pepe. We're sitting at rank 25. Up about 2.37% in the past 7 days, about 1.15% in the past 24 hours, and a little bit of a boost, a 0.5% gain in the past hour. And we are sitting at roughly a $5.92 billion market cap, nearly $6 billion, guys. 24-hour volume is down. But, guys, I expect that because Bitcoin's been selling off today. You look at the overall market, Bitcoin's trading at just shy of 108,000, down about 1%. But Bitcoin dominance, guys, is breaking down. It is finally starting to break down. I don't think this is the beginning of the massive breakdown just yet. I think we have a little bit more sideways chop into June, into July. I'm expecting the fireworks to be in Q4 2025, guys. I know that sounds like I'm sounding like a broken record saying that, but it's just the facts. Like that is my thesis, and that is how I'm trading these markets. If you look at Bitcoin as well, we're chopping around near all-time highs, exactly as I predicted. It's like this is the macrocosm. Pepe's the microcosm of this price action here. Just chopping around resistance and waiting for it to flip the resistance as support. And I think that we'll probably see that play out. You know, we can come up, test it, reject down, come up, test it, reject down. Usually we tested it once, we tested it twice. Usually 4 times is one too many. Usually on the 4th test, you either break out and above, or you do 1, 2, 3, and then 4, and then you break down. So really going to be paying very close attention to that. But guys, September, October, November, December, that is when I expect further continuation to the upside for Bitcoin, and thus is going to create further upside for Pepe, guys. I am bullish on Pepe. I think that it is the #1 meme coin for this cycle. I think it will perform better than these other memes. And obviously, it's not going to outperform percentage-wise versus a $1 million market cap meme coin, but I think that the best risk-to-reward ratio, if you're looking at meme coins, is Pepe. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. That is not financial advice. I just put my money where my mouth is, guys, and I'm just telling you guys what I'm doing in these markets. All right, let's check on that Pepe trade before the end of this video. Up about $9. I'll close it. Let's take the profit, $10, and I'll put it on. I'll go down to the casino and have some fun with it, something like that. I don't know. I'm going to close it right now at $13 profit. But that's all I got, guys. If you like this type of content, please hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel right now. I'll be back in the office soon, so thank you for bearing with me at this scuff setup with my weird headset. If you guys are early Crypto Reporter subscribers, you know that I used to have a mic like this that I used to talk through, but that was ages ago. But that's all I got, guys. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you next one. Bye-bye.